Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.2 question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Let us write. You can solve this question in this way, that is 2 can be written as 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 14 by 7. This is 7 to the 14, that is 2. Therefore, 5 rational numbers smaller than 2 are. Therefore, 5 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers, 5 rational 5 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2 are. It is 17 by 14 by 7, therefore it is 13 by 7 or 13 by 7, 12 by 7, 11 by 7, 10 by 7, and 9 by 7, and 9 by 7. Right? Again we are repeating that 2 can be written as 14 by 7 because 7 to the 14, that is 2. Therefore 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2 are 13 by 7, 12 by 7, 11 by 7, 10 by 7, and 9 by 7. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.